Hey, Grow community, Matt, peace and love. It's me, Asia. Now, perhaps you're here because, like me, you're always pushing those boundaries when it comes to maximizing those plant count limits. You believe in the overgrow and share method. See, growing isn't just about yields for us. It's about sharing the fruits of our labor with our family, our friends, our community, so we can ensure that they never have to settle for those mids or worry about harmful chemicals. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce our Grow More with Less program. It's tailor made for growers like us, experienced growers who are legally cultivating cannabis at home and are ready for a revolutionary way to get more yield per plant so we can max out these plant count limits. Now, let me introduce you to the Model 4E. The Model 4E is the cornerstone of our program. The E in the Model 4E stands for educational, but don't let that fool you. This manual horizontal plant training system is a game changer. And we're inviting you to join us on a journey. Grow a full harvest using the Model 4E so you can let us know what you think and we can build and grow together. We're seeking just 20 individuals, 20 growers who are ready to pioneer on this grow journey with us. And we're getting started this fall and we'll be with you every step of the way. How? Let me show you. We're going to do all of this from within our Grow Our Own app. We're building a community over there, and this community will have a hand in shaping the future of our products. This means you'll get first access to future products, features, exclusive discounts, and upgrade kits, including our automated upgrade kit and much, much more. We're building franchise co-ops across the US, and we want you, the people who grow and know the product, to be a part of that. Here's the timeline. You've got until July to join. We're going to have a virtual onboarding orientation on July 28th. This is going to be a great chance for us to answer any questions that you might have. Your Model 4E will arrive in October, and that's when the real journey begins. We've designed 5 milestone check-ins to guide you through your grow journey and all the way to harvest. And we want to make this risk-free for you. So if at the end of those milestones you're not seeing a significant increase in your yield, you can return the unit for a full refund, no questions asked. With the Model 4E, you can see an increase in yield of more than 20 to 30%. That's right. By not having to cut away your lower branches, you're giving your plant the ability to grow more. And over a year with free harvest, that could mean a 90% increase in yield. That's almost a whole nother harvest cycle each year for you to consume or to share with your community. But this program is about more than just the yield. It's about being a part of a growing community, pushing boundaries together, learning together, and most importantly, growing together. Make sure to submit your payment to hold your spot. And if needed, we do offer pay over time options as well. Then what you're going to do is check your email for a brief onboarding form so we can learn more about you, your goals when it comes to growing. And don't miss our group orientation call on July 28th. That's important. But you might have immediate questions. That's all good. We've got you. Just scroll down below to our FAQ section. We've got so much more to share about the perks of this program, what you can expect during this grow journey. So please stay tuned. And don't forget, we have limited capacity for this program, and there's a deadline to join by July 4th. So let's grow more with less and overgrow and share. All right, Matt, peace and love.